Exercise number 1, glute bridge walkout. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips into a bridge position, then slowly walk your feet forward and back while keeping your hips elevated. Stay controlled and engage your glutes throughout.
I am waiting for a bus at the end of the night.
Exercise number 2, jump squat. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower into a squat. Explode upward into a jump, then land softly and immediately lower into the next rep. Keep your chest up and core engaged.
Under street lamp, bent face flame by the light. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away.
Exercise number 3, single leg calf raise. Stand on one foot with the other foot off the ground. Rise up onto your toes as high as possible, then lower slowly for a full stretch. Maintain your balance and switch legs as needed.
And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be somewhere.
Exercise number 4, band leg curl. Secure a resistance band around your ankle and anchor it behind you. Bend your knee to pull your heel toward your glutes, squeezing your hamstrings at the top. Return slowly and repeat with control.
Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away.
Exercise number 5, shrimp squat. Stand on one leg and hold the opposite foot behind you. Lower yourself into a squat while maintaining balance, then push through your heel to return to standing. Keep the movement slow and controlled.
I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me.
Exercise number 6, sumo squat. Take a wide stance with your toes pointed outward. Lower your hips until your thighs are nearly parallel to the floor, then push through your heels to stand back up. Focus on engaging your inner thighs and glutes.